So you see, Littlefoot, in a world so full of life, you are only as alone as you choose to be.
No one has to be alone in this world we live in. You don't need to feel there's no one by your side. Everything you see is a gift you're given. Anywhere is home, and no one has to be alone.
There is so much that surrounds us. There are friends we've yet to find.
There are dreams to be discovered and dreams to leave behind.
All the wonders above us and splendors down below. There is so much more to everything than we can ever know. You don't have to be afraid of being lost and lonely.
Everything you need is right before your eyes.
Each bright and shining day is waiting for you only. Make this world your own, and you'll never be alone.
Remember, no one has to be